All right, good morning, my wonderful math classes. All right, so this is actually a video that I have set up for both pre-algebra, algebra 1, and algebra 2. All right, if you notice that I have already clicked in on the top of my stream into my Bitmoji, and I said, oh, please check the Bitmoji class, updated Monday video. So I have come to the current Bitmoji class. It says welcome to week 4. It's got the right dates on it. Okay, here is what we do on Monday. Okay, so all three of you guys have the same kind of setup, just different links. All right, it says do now, check in for attendance GC. That just means that your do now is on Classroom. It will post at the top of your stream. Okay, you're going to answer that for attendance, and then you're going to move on. All right. Video, logging into IXL and completing the practices 80 to 90%. All right, you guys are all going to have to do that. Okay, now, everybody here has a different assignment, okay? Pre-algebra, you guys have the practice IXL for identifying factors and greatest common factor. Algebra 1, you guys have division and finding the slope of the graph. And algebra 2, you guys have a coordinate plane review and quadrant and axes review. Okay, so all of you guys have different stuff. Just make sure that you are doing what is linked into your Google Classroom. Okay, now as an example, I'm going to use the pre-algebra. I'm going to click onto my IXL link. It doesn't matter which order you go in. It should take you right into your IXL if you have asked your Google Chrome website to save your passwords for you. If you didn't, okay, hopefully you know where to go for your username and password. Again, I'm going to use Algebra 2 as an example. You're going to go under Classwork. You're going to scroll down to the math-related resources, and you're going to click into the IXL diagnostic usernames and passwords, okay? If you notice, it says your username has to end at STEM Civics, okay? Username and passwords are here. You should be done with the IXL real-time diagnostics, so don't worry about that link. So obviously you have to click into that, whatever your IXL link is first, and then put in that username and password, okay? I am not going to continue to give you your usernames and passwords because you should be storing them right now. Okay? You should be aiming for 80 to 90%. If you are using the IXL practice links and you are not approaching 80 to 90% within like 10 to 20 minutes of each exercise, shoot me a text on Monday, which is tomorrow, and I will help you during an office hour because that means that you might be actually getting stuck, okay? And I don't want you to get frustrated, right? Because most of these should be practice links that you have already done before in previous classes. All right? So, again, pre-algebra, these are your 2 links. They are linked in your Bitmoji. Algebra 1, here are your 2 links linked into your Bitmoji. And Algebra 2, these are your 2 links, okay? I was a little bit disappointed last Monday when none of you guys did the IXL assignments. Okay, so please, if you're having a hard time completing the assignments on Monday, text me. My number is 609-968-5439. Okay, and that number is under your school resource, the office hours. And then you can click one of those links. Just do me a favor and text me before you want to go and do office hours with me. All right? I will see you guys, Algebra 1 and pre-algebra, I will see you guys Tuesday, and Algebra 2, I will see you guys on Wednesday. Have a great Monday.